Today, I'll show you how to add the blur to focus effect in CapCut PC. This effect is perfect for making your videos look more cinematic by starting with a blur and gradually sharpening into focus. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. This should be the clip where you want to apply the effect. Now, open the Effects tab. In the search bar, type Blurry Focus and you'll see the effect appear. Simply drag and drop the blurry focus effect onto your clip, and immediately you'll see how the video starts with a soft blur and then transitions smoothly into focus. This effect is great for drawing attention to a subject. And that's it. You've successfully added the blur to focus effect in CapCut PC. Experiment with it in your projects to make your videos look even more professional. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tips.